Hi guys, welcome back to a very special nighttime edition. We have been battling the sun essentially since about a month ago. The sun's path sort of changed, and so our shade situation changed, and we've had a few where we've been shooting in sun and it's kind of annoying. So this is our solution, is to shoot at night where we can control the light a lot better. So this one is a test, and I'm doing a ring pour, a basic ring pour, because I've been comb wrecking lately and they've been really fun and really pretty and I've really enjoyed it, but I kind of want to just do a ring pour. So this is a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas from Artist's Loft, and for this size canvas we need about 16 ounces of paint. So let me show you my colors real quick and then we'll layer our cup. So our first one is Golden's Quinacridone Violet. My paint is all mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium and Varnish, which is one bottle. I don't mix it up, they mix it up. Liquitex Gloss Medium and Varnish and Floetrol, and in this case a little bit of water. So if my paints are thick, they're gonna get water. So all the Golden's ones have water in them. This one is Quinacridone Violet. Nice and thick, leaving a mound on a mound on a mound. Okay, next one is Payne's Gray, also by Golden's. Beautiful color. Leaving a mound on a mound on a mound. Okay, next one is Permanent Deep Violet, also Golden's. Leaving a mound on a mound on a mound. Nice and thick. I am doing a ring pour. I wanted my paint thick. I want the rings to hold their shape. Next one is one of my all-time favorites, my copper obsession. Golden's Iridescent Copper Fine. Amazing. Just love this. I got all happy when I was mixing it up. It's just so beautiful. So I'm excited, and I've kept it thick. Oh, so I kept it thick, and then I added Floetrol just a tiny bit too much, and then it got a little bit thinner. So then I was kind of annoyed. So I pulled out some of this Golden Soft Gel Gloss, which is like this white creamy, like sort of like paste, but it's kind of thin, very squishy. But it thickened it right back up a little bit, just a little bit. And I also used this in another color, which I will show you in a moment. So that's the copper from Golden's. This one is the last bottle I have of Folk Art's Treasured Gold series in antique copper. And I have used some of that Golden's soft gel gloss in here to thicken it up so that it is the same consistency as the other ones. So that's gonna be interesting. We'll see what happens with it. Last time I used it, the flip cup, it actually was really, really copper. It was cool. So I'll link that one for you. So that's the antique copper. Then I have my blue, my Prussian Blue from Golden's. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Deep. Ah, just delicious. Love it. And last but not least, our DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. Super thick. I don't know if you guys saw Showgirls, but my paint was not quite as thick as it could have been, I feel, and so I used a lot of pearl and a lot of metallics, and my gold was thin, and it sort of put this gold sheen on everything. So I didn't want that to happen tonight, so my gold is thick. Okay, let's layer our cup for a ring pour. Get that out of the way. Okay, I'm excited about this one. Okay, ring pour. I'm going to start with just a tiny bit of gold. Literally just a little bit. Okay, now what do we want in the center? Let's go, ooh, let's go some Prussian Blue. A thicker layer of that. And now let's put some Quinacridone Violet in there. And let's put some of that Treasured Gold Antique Copper. Yeah, that's thick. Good, I'm glad. Okay, we're going to put a little gold in there. I love that. Okay, some of our Permanent Deep Violet now. Okay, let's be shocking and put our copper next to the violet. I love that combination. That was so pretty. Okay, we're going to put some Payne's gray on the other side. And we're going to go back to the Quinacridone Violet. Let's do some more of the treasure, the antique copper, Prussian Blue, gold. My gloves seem especially squeaky at night. Some copper. Let's put a little bit more of the permanent deep violet on there. Okay. So the color I have for a flow extender is the Payne's gray. So I'm going to put just a little bit of Payne's gray on the very, very top, because that's going to blend into our background sort of color. Okay. So here we go. Let me move these over. So I have thinned this out like 5 times now. So it is pretty much sinking. I don't want to go thinner than this because it's already very thin. Okay, so I'm going to pour a puddle in the center. All right. Here we go. Very excited about this one. Okay. I love this part. Here we go. Alright, that's okay. Just swirl in there. That's cool. Okay, that's a cell. Okay, let's turn the canvas around. Okay, we're going to put our flow extender around the outside, and this is Payne's gray. Very thin. Well, not very thin, but very thinned out compared to that. So some on our corners. That's cool. The urge to wreck it is so strong. I'm not going to though. Okay, let's tilt it. What do I like the most? I love this. I like all of it. Okay, let's go that way first because I want to hook that copper over the edge. So we're just going to kind of walk it down, nice and gentle. To the center again. I love that Quinacridone Violet at the bottom. That's so pretty against the Payne's gray. Back towards the center again. Down off that edge. Go off that last corner. some of that bottom off. I'll take a little bit off of that corner on the bottom. I like that violet. Okay, I'll take that back to the center. And that is it. I'm going to torch it real fast because I do see a lot of air bubbles. There's a lot of cells going to come up in this. Okay, that's that, except for this little tiny net. Okay. Okay, that's really cool. I'm very excited about this one. I will show you when it's dry. Okay, so this is a few days later. This one is adjustment. This was the test we did shooting at night. The ring pour with Prussian Blue and Payne's Gray and the Iridescent Copper, Permanent Deep Violet, and the Quinacridone Violet. Just beautiful. I love the depth in this one. These cells in here are just amazing. Really, really cool stuff. This part's really trippy. It's like the Quinacridone Violet, and then the Permanent Deep Violet's on top of that, and then there's gold on top of that. Really, really cool. And this copper section up here is just so pretty, the way it was blinging. It was blinging over here. Very cool stuff. These beautiful, beautiful cells. The center turned out really cool. I think this is definitely my favorite part though. I love that like swath of the Payne's Gray. It's so pretty with those stripy cells. Look how cool that is. I love it. So this one turned out really cool. This is a 20 by 20. And I think our night pouring experiment worked out pretty well. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys are all taking good care of yourselves and staying safe. And, you know, try to have fun. I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.